So, here's the thing about potato gardening secrets. There are actually over 100 potato varieties out there, and they're usually categorized by season and, well, by how you want to use them in the kitchen. Russets and long whites are pretty much ideal for, the basics, frying and baking. Round whites? Those are perfect if you're thinking about making chips or just boiling them. Growing potatoes can be really easy, honestly. The trick is to choose varieties that match your climate. Early season potatoes, which take about 50 to 80 days, include Irish cobbler. With its tan skin, it's just excellent when mashed. And Norland, which is scab resistant and has that nice red skin. Mountain Rose is known for being virus resistant and it has this beautiful pink flesh. For mid-season potatoes, which usually take about 80 to 100 days, you might want to try Red Pontiac. It's an easy-to-grow red potato. Another great choice is Yukon Gold, which has thin skin and that buttery yellow flesh everyone loves. Now, moving on to late-season varieties, which need about 100 to 120 days or even a bit more. Katahdin and Kennebec are both virus and blight resistant. And, Elba is another solid pick, producing large tubers, and it's pretty scab resistant too. If you're looking for something a little different, you might want to check out some unusual varieties. French fingerling is great because you don't even need to peel it, just roast or steam. And then there's All Blue, which has this vibrant blue flesh and is perfect for mashing or steaming. Pretty cool, right? So, the best soil for potatoes is loose and well-drained, with a pH between 5.0 and 6.5. You should definitely add compost for extra nutrients. And hey, for a fun DIY approach, try potato tower gardening. Just stack tires or wire frames filled with soil and straw to encourage vertical growth. When it comes to potato pest control strategies, you can use neem oil to deal with beetles, and planting marigolds will help deter nematodes. It's pretty effective and, honestly, not too complicated. So, when it comes to growing potatoes, there are a few mistakes you really want to avoid. First off, don't plant in cold, wet soil. This can cause your potatoes to rot before they even get a chance to sprout. And always use certified seed potatoes instead of those grocery store spuds. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Alright, let's talk about prepping your seed potatoes. You'll want to cut your tubers into 2-inch pieces, making sure each one has 1 or 2 eyes. Then, let them callus overnight. That helps prevent rot. If you're short on space, you can totally grow potatoes in containers. Just use 10-gallon pots with good drainage. Layer in some soil, add your seed potatoes, and as the plants grow, keep hilling up the soil around them. When it's time to harvest, here's what you need to know. For new potatoes, dig gently around the plants when they start flowering, usually about 50 days in. For mature potatoes, wait until the foliage dies back. This usually takes about 2 to 4 months. Pretty simple, right? For storage, cure your potatoes in a dark, dry place for 1 to 2 weeks. You want to avoid piercing the tubers because broken potatoes spoil really fast. And here's a little pro tip. If frost is on the way, just leave your tubers in dry soil for a few weeks. They'll actually store better underground.